Right, so I've got to clean this off now. This is just where I left some primer on it when I've half finished the job the other day, so I've got to get it nice and shiny for MIG. Right, I'm going to go and fill in these gaps now. There's not very many left, just got to make that nice and neat and then I can finish grinding it back. And I've plug welded down here, so it's the other side of the seam, and then you have to grind it off using the angle grinder and just get the grinder in here and just flatten the plug welds, and then we'll hide all of that, it'll all disappear with the panel sealer. Okay, we can get down and have a look at this seam now. So this is just the first grind that's gone on here. It's quite hard to see because the workshop lighting isn't the best in the world. That now runs right the way around. And then read down the corner. It's all filled in. So that's just all the little MIG tacks all joined together to avoid getting heat distortion. Now I've got to run over it with a Zirco disc, which is like a flapper wheel disc for the grinder, and I'll show you that, and then you can see me just do the final shape, and then all I've got to do after that, just down here, put a bit of primer over the top of it for now, and then obviously we'll fill in all of this with filler when we come to do the rubbing down, and that's another separate stage altogether. And then quick shoot over with a bit of rattle can just to protect it. There you go.